What could it be?
Oh.
That's the palm, the Michigan palm.
Yep. Dude. Awesome.
What's it called?
A windmill palm.
Windmill palm. Zones.
6B, 7A, 8.
So we're gonna hope it survives.
Yeah. There.
Perfect. Where'd it come from?
Came from, this one was from Washington, D.C.
Oh.
So there's no dirt on it, just roots.
Yeah. What are you filling it with?
I have a lot of grass clippings, some ashes, and mulch. Does it look like that?
Oh.
I'm gonna go a little deeper. So as many of you may know, palm trees are not native to Michigan, and all palm trees don't really grow in Michigan. Of course, this one is more likely to survive since the zone range is closer to where we live, and I've seen a lot of people growing them in Michigan. But either way, we're going to be doing a little bit of winter protection for it, and that includes putting styrofoam walls around it, and then maybe some Christmas lights to keep it warm, and then just putting a whole bunch of mulch around it. So we're going to be doing that over the winter. I'm sure there'll be a video of that will be coming out, not soon, but whenever winter comes. And yeah, we'll see if it works out. There she is.